Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 100 of 111 days verification challenge. First of all, congratulations to all of you for completing a century in your verification journey. We have covered a lot of concepts and now we are almost towards the end of this challenge. Only 11 days to go. Keep up this momentum and we will definitely complete this challenge on time. So in day 100, we are again going to focus on the skill set UVM. And today we are seeing an advanced topic in UVM called as UVM RAL. RAL stands for Register Abstraction Level. This technique is used to verify the registers in your design. Why do we need a separate technique for registers? Because register verification is very different kind of verification compared to the normal transactions and all those things. In registers, you can have different types of registers, different access mode. For example, there can be a register which is read only once. There can be a register to which you can write once. There can be a register to which you can read and write multiple times. There can be a register which is read only register. So even the access types can be different and even every register has different fields. It is possible that for different fields the access type is different. So there are a lot of various kind of things in register, and for supporting these kind of verification UVM provides us UVM RAL. And the advantage is if you learn this technique and you add it in your resume, it will be considered as a very good add-on skill because it's an advanced UVM concept. So let's see today's question then. First, you need to explain what is UVM RAL model and why do we need it. And then I would urge you to create a diagram of RAL. There are different things in RAL, also different components. You need to create a diagram and explain each of these components inside RAL and how they work. Then there is an adapter in RAL. You need to explain the adapter with the code. Write a code, explain the syntax, explain what are different functions, what is happening inside adapter. Then we will go to predictor and explain that with the help of syntax, with the help of code. Next, you need to explain different layers of RAL model. Explain these classes: UVM reg field, UVM reg, UVM mem, UVM block, and UVM map. Solve all these questions today and then I will see you for day 101 challenge. Best luck and acquire this good skill set to add in your resume, which is UVM RAL.